Okay, in this session, we're going to discuss cardinality ratio. Okay, so which is comes under degree of relationship, which comes under degree of relationship, cardinality of a relation, of a relationship, degree of relationship, degree of relationship. What is this cardinality ratio or degree of a relationship? See, degree of relationship is the number of entity types involved. The number of entity types involved. Number of entity types involved in a relation. See, for example, student is there and department is there. How many students? How many number of students and how many departments? Whether one department, many students are involved, or many departments, one student is participating. So this is called degree of a relationship. Based on the number of participations in the relationship, you will find the cardinality ratio. Okay. Now we have four different types of cardinality ratios. The relationship cardinalities specify how many of each entity type is allowed. A relationship can have four possible correctivenesses, connections. One is 1 to 1, 1 to 1. You can write it in letters also, not an issue. Okay, it is 1 to 1 ratio, 1 to many, and many to 1, and many to many. Okay, I think you might guess what is this 1 to 1. Okay, just now I have given no student and department, one student, one department. Okay, one student, one department, one student or one department, many students are working or studying, or many students, many departments, one student is attending, and many departments, many students. Okay, so best example for 1 to 1 is employee is assigned with a parking space. Okay, many employees are working, and we have allocated for parking spaces. Okay, so this is employee and this is parking space. Okay, parking space. Now employees E1, E2, E3, E4. Okay, there are four employees, and we have allocated parking P1, parking P2, parking P3, parking P4. Okay, four employees, four parking places we have allocated. But during this time, if one employee, one parking, okay, and if one employee is assigned with only one parking space and one parking space is assigned to only one employee, and it is 1 to 1 ratio. If suppose if any employee is used the same parking space, okay, this is called many to 1. This is called many to 1. And even if you want to write in a year diagrams and all, the decision or cardinality ratio will be mentioned like this. Okay, 1:1. Okay, the relationship may be parking. Okay, relationship name you can call. This is one relation R1 and R2. We have a relation between these two, that is 1 to 1. When we have many to 1, this is called many to 1. Okay, Now we can say this is n is to 1. If again n is to means 1 is to n you can call, or m is to 1 you can call. Okay, this is what the representation. If you have 1 to many, and 1 is to m. If you have many to many, then it will be represented n is to m. Okay, like many to many, many to many will be like this. Okay, everyone is parking in the every place. Everyone is parking in the every place. This is called many to many. Okay. So what makes here this is used in our ER diagrams to mention our relationships in a database. Okay. Okay, relation 1, relation 2. Okay, when we go with the ER diagram to write, these concepts we're going to discuss. Okay. When you have many to one, it is reverse of one to many relationship. Employee works in organization. Okay, like parking, employee parking in a parking space. How you created? It might be employee working in employee relation. So just I'll write it and I'll show you how many to one exist. Okay, many employees working on a single organization. Let us take care. This is a Infosys. Employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4. All are working under same company. Working is another relationship name. This is called relationship name. We have a relationship, right? So that relationship name can be written. And this one here, we need to one, the cardinality ratio in your ER diagrams can be mentioned like this. M is to 1. Here we have a employees, and here we have a company, and working. Many are working in a single company. 1 to many means one organization, many employees are working. So it is reversing. One employee and one organization, many employees are working. And many employees, many organizations, or many students, many courses. Okay, so like this you can represent where the situation comes. You can write it in the your diagrams. Okay, so this is one basic concept to study the ER diagram. Okay. Okay, I'll wind up this session. Thank you. Bye.